With Go Kinetic, account management is always right at your fingertips, giving you the power to easily access and update your Kinetic services. Go Kinetic gives you access to view and pay your bill online, live chat with support, track your order and support requests, manage your Wi-Fi passwords and access, and get the latest in special offers. It's a fast and easy way to manage your entire Kinetic experience. To begin, visit my.gokinetic.com online or download the Go Kinetic app on your mobile device. With a few simple steps, you create an account, set your password, and your Go Kinetic online account is active. Once your Go Kinetic online account is active, you'll be able to log into your account at home or on the go. Once logged in, you can manage account notifications and contacts, view and pay your bill online, create and customize user profiles, and specify which devices belong to each profile. Take control of your Wi-Fi experience with the Kinetic Wi-Fi Manager. Be connected and stay protected by managing the Kinetic Secure products you've purchased and activated. And receive enhanced customer service with instant answers via live chat. Kinetic continues to innovate and expand our services and products, including expanding the capabilities within Go Kinetic Online Account Management to meet the ongoing needs of our customers. Get started with Go Kinetic today by visiting my.gokinetic.com or download the Go Kinetic mobile app from Google and Apple App Stores.